Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Well, today I'm going to be sharing my mashed potato recipe. It's so delicious, people rave about it, and it's incredibly simple. Now let's get started. I boiled my potatoes with 5 garlic cloves. Now you can use as many potatoes as you like. To know when they're ready, all I did is take a knife, pierce through. When it comes out so easily, you know it's ready. Now for the perfect mashed potato, you really do need a ricer. Invest in one, you will use it. I've had this for 25 years. Simple to use, the potato inside, and then just mash it through. Now I also put the garlic through the ricer. I have some butter here. You can put as much as you're just gonna add a couple tablespoons of milk. I'm gonna add some sea salt and some black pepper. And our mashed potatoes are done. I'm going to taste it for seasoning. Did you see how easy that was? The simplest mashed potatoes, and people are going to love it. Absolutely delicious. Now, to keep my mashed potatoes nice and warm and ready for my dinner, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in a bain-marie like this at simmer to low. And then what I'm going to do is just keep it covered. This way it won't lose any moisture and it'll be like you just did it when you're ready for it. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. You really must try this recipe. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao!